Section 8.5. We're looking at a new method to help us integrate something like this. Now typically we would look at this and say, oh, it's probably going to be a u sub. If I let u equal the denominator, well then du is 2x minus 2, but there's no 2x minus 2 anywhere. So we would like to try to figure out what two fractions added together to give us this one. So it will be helpful if we can factor this denominator. Well, that factors into x minus 5x plus 3. So our goal is to figure out this fraction here. What did it start out as? You may remember that when we're integrating, the numerator needs to be of a smaller degree than the denominator. Well, these denominators are linear factors of degree 1. That means the top needs to be a degree 0, which is just a constant. I can make this equation a little simpler if I multiply both sides by the common denominator. On the left-hand side, the denominators cancel and I'm left with 1. On the right-hand side, the x minus 5's cancel. I'm left with a times x plus 3. And the x plus 3's cancel and we're left with b times x minus 5. Now, I need to find a and b. We can do that if we pick some convenient values for x. Let's let x equal negative 3. Well, if x is negative 3, then this term cancels out. So we're left with 1 is equal to negative 8b. Therefore, b is negative 1 over 8. Another convenient value for x would be 5. Because if x is 5, then this term cancels out. And we have 1 equals 5 plus 3, 8a. And so a is equal to positive 1 over 8. Now, I'm going to plug those back in here, but a is a 1 over 8. That's a constant, so I'm going to pull that out in front. And I'm going to integrate 1 over x minus 5 minus, or plus, but I'm taking out the b, which is negative, the integral from 1 over x plus 3. And I can do that because 1 over the quantity x minus 5 times x plus 3 is equal to 1/8 over x minus 5 plus negative 1/8 over x plus 3. Now I have two integrals that are easy to integrate. 1 over a linear function, that's just the natural log. So this is 1 over 8, natural log of x minus 5, minus 1 over 8, natural log of x plus 3, plus c. So when we